Wire Brazing and Welding Unit TDEM040232. The wire brazing and welding unit is designed for brazing copper bus bars and welding round copper wires in the repair process of electric motors. To get started, you need to connect the brazing tongues. Set the required current using the current regulator. Clamp the copper bus bars with tongues. Pressing the foot pedal, apply current, and after warming up the copper bus bars, weld in accordance with the technological process. Taking into account an individual approach to each of our orders, LLC Trading House Electromash will consider your terms of reference for the manufacture of any equipment with different parameters from those proposed on our website www.tdelectromash.com, taking into consideration various climate environments, including tropical climate. The equipment supplier for mechanization, repair, process automation and testing of electric motors and transformers. Electromash Trading House. Electromash Trading House. Your choice for quality and reliability.